So look, my dear children, it was clearly mentioned that there are two charges Q1 and Q2. So whenever I found charges, no doubt that this is from electric field chapter. This is from electric field chapter. Two charges Q1 and Q2. Okay. Separated with the distance d and is placed in a medium of dielectric constant K. So let us apply Coulomb's law. As per Coulomb's law, what we could say is that F is equal to, okay, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon r into Q1 Q2 by r square. This is what is the formula. So there are two charges Q1 and Q2 and here dielectric constant is K. So in place of epsilon r, I have to put K. Okay. In place of epsilon r, I have to put K. Then the formula for force is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into K into Q1 Q2 by r square, like this. Saying that this is what is case 1. In case 2, what are the equal distance between the charges in air for same electrostatic force? So electrostatic force is same. So force F2 is equal to F1. That is what is given. So coming to case 2, F2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. But here the medium is air. If air is the medium, I have to put only 1 into, okay. So Q1 Q2 by r square. So we have to observe that distance between them is given as d. Distance between them is given as d. In such case, I have to put here d square. Okay. Now we have to find out this. What will be the equivalent distance in this case? So we have to find out this r. So let us simply name it as this is equation 2, whereas this is equation 1. Let us name it like that. So equation 1 by equation 2. Equation 1 by equation 2. Which gives you F1 by F2 is equal to Q1 Q2 by 4 by epsilon naught K d square. And in the next case, Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. Like this you'll get. Okay. Now what happens is that Q1 Q2 cancel, 4 pi epsilon naught, 4 pi epsilon naught is cancelled. So remaining just let us have a careful look at this. Let us have a close look at this. Okay. So what you can observe is that this kd square comes downwards and r square goes upwards. This is one thing you could observe. And the next one is that same electrostatic force. Same force in the sense this both will be cancelled. So it is 1. Okay. Now going on the other side, what we can say is kd square is equal to r square. Our interest is to find out this r. So how? From this. So r square is equal to kd square. So r is equal to kd square whole root. So r is root k into d. Root k into d. You could write it as d times of root k. So this is what is the distance that you are trying to find out. Equivalent distance between the charges in air. So now this option matches to option d root k. So option 1 is the right answer. Option 1 is the right answer. Okay, my dear children. I hope you understood this. Okay, this is our basics formula, that is Coulomb's law only. So with this, I am closing our 15th question. Next, we'll move on to the next one.